In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add credit card fees in QuickBooks. By the end, you'll have a simple, reusable item you can add to invoices or sales receipts, so your credit card processing fees are tracked clearly and consistently. First, open QuickBooks and sign in. Once you're on the main dashboard, head to the area where you manage sales. Depending on your view, you may hover over the app menu and choose the Sales and Get Paid section. This is where QuickBooks keeps the tools for your products, services, customers, and sales forms. Next, open Products and Services. Think of this list as your catalog of everything you sell or bill for, including fees. Creating a dedicated item here ensures the fee appears as its own line on forms, posts to the right account, and shows up accurately in your reports. At the top of the Products and Services page, click New Product Service. This opens a setup window for a new item. Choose service. Because a credit card fee isn't a physical product, service is the right type. It helps keep your inventory clean while still letting you track revenue from this fee. Now give the service a clear name such as credit card fees or credit card processing fee. Use a name your team will instantly recognize when they're building invoices. In the description box, add a short note that explains what the fee covers. This description can appear on customer-facing forms, so keep it professional and concise. Add the rest of the details. If you organize your list with categories, select one that fits, though this is optional. Most importantly, choose the income account you want this fee to post to. Many businesses use an income or fee reimbursement account so they can see total fees collected at a glance. If you're unsure which account to use, check with your accountant to keep your books consistent. Decide whether to enter a default rate. If you charge a flat fee, enter it here. If your fee varies or is a percentage, leave the rate blank so you can type the exact amount each time. Quick tip: QuickBooks won't auto-calculate a percentage, so you'll enter the dollar amount when you add the line to a form. Set the sales tax option based on your local rules. Some regions treat processing fees as taxable, others don't. When in doubt, confirm with a tax professional. When everything looks right, click Save and Close. Your credit card fees service is now ready to use and will be available to add as a line item whenever you create customer sales forms.